With MySeniorVenture.com, you're able to create unique web links for any of your affiliations, associations, or corporate clients. This allows you to distribute the website to members or employees of the groups you choose to share the site with, and track the requests for information through the site or as a lead. There are a few steps to take to set this up, but keep in mind that the system was designed to help you manage any and all leads that come in and make sure that you get credit for and can easily track those leads. This video will guide you through the initial steps to begin this process. To start with, from this home page, click here to log in. Now enter the username and password that you were given when you registered. In this example, I'll use the login for Thomas Parker. As you can see, you're taken to this Agent Control panel. Now you should have already set up your own personal web page, but if you haven't, refer to that video tutorial and complete that step before you start setting up a company invitation link. Now follow this link to set up your web presence, and then click here to set up your company invite URL. The first URL link that you're going to set up is a master company invitation link. This will be used as the primary site to add any of your affiliation, association, or corporate clients. In this field, enter a web extension link for the new page. Since this is a generic page for your use only, type in a code that identifies this as the company invitation link. In this example, I will use Invite Company. The name must be unique, and you'll be alerted if that name you choose is available or not, so you may need to try a few attempts until you find a code that is available. Now when you click Add, you will have created a new URL. For this example, it will be myseniorventure.com/invitecompany. Again, your new URL will be myseniorventure.com/whatever you select. The next step is to log off and then log back in using the newly created master company invitation link URL. So go up here to log off. Now in the address bar, type in the myseniorventure.com/invitecompany URL. You're now taken to an organization administration page. This is where you can register individual companies. You can see here that this is still tied to you as the agent, in this example Thomas Parker. So complete this form with the group's information. I'm going to use a sample company, JJ Technical. Now we'll enter the address and contact information. Lastly, I'll assign a username and password. Be sure to use a username and password that's easily remembered, and you can change the password at any time. Now hit Next, and you're taken directly to that new company's website. You can see that it's listed right up here. You can also reach this control panel by logging in from the home page. So if you log off, click here. From the main home page, log back in, and this time enter the username and password for the company that you just set up. So now we're taken back to the new company home page. So now that you've registered a new company, in order to have the individual members or employees register and use the site, you must set up a separate and new URL link. This will be the URL that you'll use for the group that you're setting up. So while logged in as this company, return again to set up your web presence. Now, since you're creating a personal homepage for that company, click on Set up your web URL. Now this time the invitation link should be tied to the company name. So for this example, I'll type in J&J. Again, this must be unique, so you may need to use the whole name or other initials or whatever you'd like that works. If you wish, you can also choose a brief welcome message by typing in this box. Depending on the group, they may wish to welcome their members or employees, or they can simply leave it blank. I'll just type a sample message, and you can go back and make changes to this message at any time, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Now when you click Add, you'll see that you have created a new web URL called myseniorventure.com/jj. This may then be distributed to all the employees of the organization, inviting them to register and use the site, and any requests for information on any products or services will be sent directly to you as the agent. You can further personalize the page by uploading a company logo. You can do this by going back to the Organization Control Panel and click Upload a Picture or Logo. Just browse your computer for the logo. So I've chosen it here. And click Import, and this picture will be added to the home page of the site that you just set up. This can also be changed at any time by coming back to this upload link and choosing a different picture. So let me show you now what this looks like. Log off again, and then up in the address bar, type the URL company that we just created, myseniorventure.com/jj. Now this is the new home page that you just set up for the company JJ Technical. When the employees of the company receive this page, they can either just look around and explore and view the Medicare information that we've posted there, or they can register for free and have access to all that the site has to offer. If you'd like to register additional companies, you can log back into your master company invitation URL and start the process all over again for the next group. Now, if you'd like to make changes to the company information or the welcome message, go back to the control panel for this company. So we have to log back in as JJ Technical. And from the control panel, go to Set up your web presence. And this time go to Manage your web links. All the web links that you've set up will be listed here, and you can click Edit to change any of the information. So you can just change this welcome message at any time, and when you click Add, that will be added to the home page. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or concerns, contact your Premier representative or the myseniorventure.com team.